Hey all you good looking people, we're here in Newtown today and we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to take you on a street photography shoot today and show you my philosophies behind it, how I compose, what I look out for, and generally what I do when I'm out shooting street. Yes, I shoot other things besides landscapes. Anyway, the idea behind it is hopefully to help you with your street photography and maybe even your holiday photography when you're getting out there in a new city and exploring around and you want some neat photos. Anyways, come along with me and let's see how we do this. So what I usually look for is either a cool background, an interesting composition, or a cool subject. Also amazing light. If I get several of those elements together, it usually works out to be a pretty good shot. Like here we have some nice framing and the light is nice and harsh for what I like to shoot. Makes things look a tad bit more contrasty. Now all we need is subject to walk through and we'll get a nice shot. And I'll show you what I got. So I don't know whether or not you can see, but this already makes an interesting shot. I kind of just want someone to walk through this edge of frame because it's missing that element of human life. But I'll probably wait for someone to come and I'll show you the photo, because I don't think you want to sit here and wait with me until I get the shot. So I am out here shooting with the Lumix GX80 with the 20mm 1.7 lens. I picked Newtown because it's a target-rich environment for street photography, but as with all things, all the elements have to come together for the shot, right? So let's see if we can make some shots. Otherwise, you may never see this video, let's be honest. Let's get to it. So this red door is a front element, and if we can get something, I say with a contrasting color coming through it, or someone preferably wearing something in a contrasting color walk through it, I think it would make a nice shot. Preferably as maybe a vertical like this. But again, my shooting style for street is more weight and spray, right? So we'll just wait. So right here I like the star element of the NAB logo and the light that's currently passing by. All I need is someone in a red outfit to walk by and I think I'll have a nice shot. So now again, it's just a matter of waiting and see what we can get. So this seems like an easy composition and all we need is for someone in some Doc Martens to walk by. The likelihood of that in Newtown is pretty high, so fingers crossed we get something. Just wait and see, I guess. So what we have here is a window at Gorman, known for their bright poppy designs. I'm preferably going to wait for someone in black to walk by, just so I can get a bit of a contrast in this shot. It'll be fun. So I have abandoned the main street and have walked into a side alley, hopefully find some nice light and cool compositions. And hopefully we can get someone walking through. I obviously like the human element to most of my shots, so that would explain that. I kind of like this. So that was a walk-in street shoot of Newtown. I've cut it short because I may have gotten distracted by the other offerings in Newtown, but hopefully you enjoyed that. As you can see, I kind of lean towards playing around with colors and frames and stuff, and I always like a human element in my shot just because I feel like it needs it. I want a bit of life in it. But if you enjoyed these kind of videos, let me know and I'll probably make more in future. Definitely going to do the same with some landscape one as well, so you guys get an idea of how I work a scene in landscape, and hopefully it helps you when you're out shooting next. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.